Welcome to this seminar, Digital Video Podcasts. During the seminar, we hope to give you some ideas of how you can use computer-based digital video in your courses. Now, what you're seeing here is one example of the type of product you can generate using computer-based digital video. There's some others. It's more than just video podcasts. I would like to call this the name that I use in my classes. Not digital video podcasts or vodcasts. I call them Nodcasts. After all, what could be more exciting than a college professor lecturing to you from a computer? Now, this talking head conveys information, can be a bit dull, and fortunately, there are things we can do through use of PowerPoint, through use of other software, combined with digital video, that can make these digital video presentations a bit more interesting, a bit more informative. Now, in today's presentation, we'll talk about different types of video products, things that you can do over the internet or that you might do on DVD. We'll discuss why you might want to use digital video in your classes. Students always complicate things, especially when it comes to technology, and there are student-related issues that crop up in trying to use digital video. I want to give you a heads up on those. We'll let you in advance know this is what you'll run into and discuss how you can troubleshoot them or how you can deal with these potential student-specific problems. We'll talk basic hardware and software. Now, we don't all start in the same place. We have different computers, some laptops, some desktops, some Macs, some Windows, and so there's not a one-size-fits-all step 1, 2, 3 solution to getting hardware and software set up. However, we can talk about the basic types and can give you some pointers on good hardware, good software that you can acquire, usually pretty inexpensively. We will demonstrate a quick and dirty podcast, how you set up video and edit it quickly for digital video. It's unavoidable. We will have to have some technical discussion as part of this presentation. Now, you won't leave wearing a pocket protector, but we will talk a bit about some technical things that you need to be aware of. There are a number of suggestions and considerations, having done this for a couple of years, that I would provide you with if you're thinking about launching into this yourself. And at the end, discussion. I suspect there may be some of you who have done this sort of thing before, and throughout the presentation would like to hear about your experiences and words of wisdom that you might have for the group. So, at the end of today's presentation, you won't be an expert, but you'll have some idea of what products are possible, how you might make use of them in your courses, and hopefully you'll have a few next steps, some ideas of what you can go home and start doing if you're interested in using digital video in your classroom. And if we're fortunate, you can wind up being a pretty cool cat rather than some type of digital dinosaur.